Do you like to supercharge your modern application's efficiency and performance? Join me in this video as we explore different caching techniques. In the world of software development and data management, caching plays a pivotal role in enhancing the performance and efficiency of applications. In reality, caching is a technique that involves storing frequently used data for computations in a high-speed, easily accessible location. This location can be in memory, on a local disk, or even a remote server. The primary purpose of caching is to improve the performance of an application in several key ways. Firstly, caching provides faster data access. By storing frequently accessed data in a cache, application can retrieve it much more quickly than fetching it from the original source, which is often slower. Caching also reduces server load. Caching can significantly reduce the load on servers and databases. When data is cached, fewer requests are made to the backend, leading to decreased server processing and response time. Caching can also enhance user experience. Faster data access leads to a more responsive and seamless user experience. Users don't have to wait for data to load, resulting in an improvement in user satisfaction. The last but not least, caching can enable cost efficiency. Caching can lead to cost saving by reducing the need for expensive server infrastructure and also lower the consumption of computation resources. Now that we know what is caching and also the benefit of caching, let's explore typical caching mechanism. We start with client caching. Client caching, also known as browser caching, involves storing resources such as HTML, JavaScript, and images locally on a user device, typically in their web browser, for a specific page. When a user revisits a web page, these resources can be retrieved from the local cache instead of re-downloading them from the server. This enables several benefits. It can help to make page load faster, as it reduces the need to download resources repeatedly, resulting in faster page load time. It also saves bandwidth and also improves user experience. Content Delivery Network, or CDN, is another caching mechanism, which involves distributing content to a network of geographically distributed servers. These servers cache static assets such as images, videos, and scripts to serve them from the nearest node to the user, reducing latency. One of the key benefits of CDN is to enabling global reach for different applications. CDNs ensure content is delivered from the nearest server, reducing the distance data must travel. Database caching is another key caching mechanism, which involves storing frequently accessed database queries or results in a cache, usually in a memory, to reduce the need for repeated database access. This is commonly used in database-driven applications. Database caching can enable faster query response, as the cached database queries can be served much faster than executing them against the databases. Also, it also enables scalability, which reduce database load and also enable applications to handle more connected user. Also, database caching enables consistency and reliability, which is the result of data consistency by reducing the connection and concurrent issues. Incorporating these caching techniques into an application architecture can significantly enhance its performance, reduce server load, and also improve the user experience. Each technique serves as a specific purpose, and in many cases, a combination of these caching methods can be used to achieve the best result. By understanding the strength and trade-off of client caching, CDN caching, and database caching, you can make informed decisions on how to optimize your application performance and scalability.